too much. Like my white flowy skirt, not like the long one, the mid one.
Burp now. I love how we're like known as like the burp. Get scared. It's like You're welcome. My phone is at 60. Let's wait till it gets to like 75. I have a fast charger.
Makes me shit.
Can I say that on there you go. Whoever was asking. Someone was asking for you to burp. There you go. I'll do it again. Ready?
Damn.
Your burps are nuts. These glasses are just too big for my face. Guys, that was insane. Look at my hair. It's like stuck.
Maybe burp.
My jeans are Maverick.
Maverick. That's Logan's parrot name. Whenever ready, it's fine. It's Abby.
I'm not going to Nashville. Nashville is where my person lives.
Pickles been a real one. Pickles, just let me know where, when, and where, and I'm gonna go to that Chipotle. That's what.
Can't see the baddie.
John.
Galaxy Pipe gets a wedgie. Why are they on?
They love a good wedge.
Philly followed you.
That was Myra's.
Mine was the first.
More vlogs. We'll
At the
make.
burp.
We'll.
This is gonna burp for us though.
Oh, thank you for the car, Tyler. I thought you
Oh
were
my
going
god,
to
I
bed.
almost threw up with that.
Big girl vibe.
Attitude! Welcome.
Yeah, I'm just vibing over here. The big girl over here.
Bot vibes. I really want to go do the Pilates class here.
What's a major change on Ditto? What does that mean?
It's a fart. Shush.
Very classy.
We all just we sneeze and fart and vaping. I mean,
Oh, and what?
I mean, burping.
Oh my god.
Bad. I see them on like TV and stuff.
I want to get a Galaxy so bad.
Ooh.
Sorry, guys.
I literally just had a big winter, even though my birthday's in winter.
There's like being tan. I like the fall, but there's not really fall here.
Excuse me.
Oh my god. Sorry, guys.
It's disgusting. How was your day? Thank you.
Do that.
Sorry.
Would
Thanks,
you
Fred,
rather
for liking.
always have a wedgie or always?
Yeah. Oh god, it's coming up.
10 rows.
Thank you for the rose. Thank you for.
Excuse me. Nuggets? I love
Chicken nuggets. I love me some chugs.
Thank you for the follows. Can you prank for elbows?
Oh,
Excuse me.
Don't know if we'll ever meet or get that chance. Oh, excuse me. I think someone said, "Did you burp tonight?" Or I don't know. Anyways, back to my matcha collective. Ew, sorry. That's just burp. Cause I don't know my eyebrow on. Sorry, I'm not trying to. I think Graham's still on. Oh. Thank you for the hearts. Love you. A treat because we love you and we want to show you our appreciation for you. And we're gonna play a game with you. Ride the bus. Yeah. Ride the bus. Public pale.
Yeah, you look under the weather.
yeah.
Okay. Well, why don't
We
we?
have to wait till it cools down.
I know. Let's move it off this burner though.
Is that hot?
Yeah. Thank you for the follows.
I have a cart on Amazon. And it's like up to like 100.
First, and we'll do it. A galaxy. Last name is Jermaine, but it sounds like Jermaine. Jermaine. So I said Max Jermaine. Wait, look.
Please don't add those bitches.
But he's my family friend. Like, should I?
Baka.
I didn't like that.
Ew, girls burp.
Truth. Dare. Yeah, put them in the kitchen or bathroom.
Why are they still in my room? I'm like actually cleaning my room and I'm like,
Peeking. It's one of those like thirst traps where it's like wait, you know what those guys like?
I have to pee.
Go in, you know?
be so fucking funny. Be honest, which one looks like me? Are you ready to see Fiji's? Sorry guys, I had pad thai tonight.
But and he was like, it was really nice talking to you. I'm gonna do my set. I'll see you later though. He was like being weirdly nice.
Excuse me.
No, he's
I know she is.
no what?
Did you?
Wait, what do I need to know?
Okay, here we go. No, do it. Excuse me.
That was a Lizzie burp. Why are they just like copy and pasting?
I'm gonna get a wedgie now.
I'll do galaxy.
Name one of them.
Oh, then no.
Yeah.
Then no.
Yeah, like tomorrow. I'll do a day in the life.
Okay.
Flickering.
Excuse me.
Guys, can you ask us questions? And phone. Call both. Just go. Any of us.
You're crazy.
It's crazy. I'm not
What?
I'm okay.
Oh my god, I can't stop hiccuping.
Did you hear that? Yes.
Jaguar.
There you go. Can we at least get some big burps? Lizzie chug. She needs some Coke.
She needs some spray.
Oh, I want that on my head. Oh, look at us. Oh. Just give me a sec.
There you go.
That wasn't loud. Anybody want this?
Can I pass your water?
Oh my god, I feel a burp. I feel a fart burning already.
Where's my galaxy? I did. Ew! Okay, everyone's talking about my boobs. There you go.
I don't think I can burp right now,
Yeah, 1, 2. Hey guys.
See?
Bye.
Yeah, I do. Thank you for the roses. Rio, you're doing a grand.
Okay, ready? Who wants to go first?
Me.
Okay, go. Okay. Cecil, you go. Okay.
Wasn't Abby.
It wasn't Abby.
There.
That looks scary.
I'm trying to burp loud.